Welcome everybody to this session about the SPP Windows File System Protection in 10.1.7. With 10.1.6 we have introduced the file system protection, and now with 10.1.7 we did a couple of enhancements and also added some functionality. We added two new features for the restore, especially for the restore UI. And the restore UI now has a search bar. In the search bar, the user can just search for files and directories. He can use patterns like asterisk and question mark in the search phrase. Then when the result is displayed, the user can just select from the results list to restore files or continue browsing. Restore overwrite is another new option. User can select to overwrite existing files during the restore instead of just creating a new file with which includes the backup date. So this is still the default, like in 10.1.6, but now the option is there to also overwrite existing files. Sub-mounted volumes are also supported now. So sub-mounted volumes are just volumes without a drive ladder, which are mounted to a path, and such sub-mounted volumes can be backed up now. They are displayed correctly in the restore UI. You can browse and search sub-mounted volumes, and for sure you can do restores. All right, then let's switch over to the demo. Let's go to file system. So I've already registered a machine here. You see that's the list of my volumes on that machine, on this Windows machine. So I have three drives here, FE and C drive, and then I have a sub-mounted volume. It's called new volume. It's just mounted on the C drive under the path new volume. What I want to do now is I want to restore files from that new volume here. Usually I would go to create job and then create a restore job. I already have started that. I should have an active restore resource here under the file system. And from here I can select it and can just open the restore UI. So that's the restore UI. You can see here directly, so that's the sub-mounted volume, see new volume. You can click on that and then you can start just your browsing. How it also works in the same way for just simple volumes with a drive ladder. Yeah, then can just select the file here, can restore that file. So this is working, it was successful now. So sub-mounted volumes, browsing, restore is working. Next thing is we have a search bar now. So the search bar is telling you from which path the search will start. In this case, from root folder or root volume directly. Let's say I wanted to search for all log files. I get star.log. Then I can click on search, and I will get as a result all the log files which are available on the volume. Then I can also search for not only files, but also for directories. I can just click on options. From the options, I can select search for directories. And then I can enter here a search string, let's say, search all directories which start with dir star, and then click on search again, and then I get all the directories here. And from here, I can just continue browsing then into this directory. Important to know is that this option to search for directory is only enabled as long as this panel here is open. When I close this again, I still have this dir pattern here, and then try search, then it says no objects found. The reason is that now it's searching again for files, which is the default. And this can be seen here, search without options. When I click this, and then it says search with options. All right, you can for sure do things like sorting, search for your log files, and then you can sort them here by the size, by the name, things like that. Also, when you get a lot of results, there's a paging mechanism here where you can jump to different pages, things like that. Other thing I wanted to show you is the restore overwrite. So let's go to test data folder, go to the test data folder here. So you can see I have here three files, 1, 2, 3. I also see them here when I add this to the restore list and just click restore. can see then that here is a new file created. It's called F001 and then the backup date added. So this is the default. So we do not overwrite. We just create a new file with the backup date added. And just remove this here again. Now let's just edit this file, add some content. Let's say some content, save it, close it. And then let's restore this file again, but this time select options and select overwrite, and then restore, restoring again. And when we go back here, and we can see there's no additional file now, open this and you see this new text is missing. So that means the old version was restored and the file was overwritten. All right, that's all for the demo. Thank you.